What's up guys? Today we are doing a fully used PC parts build. I've done a few of these, actually I've done a lot of these, but I've never actually made a video for one. So basically right now we're just going to be scrolling Facebook Marketplace. First thing I want to do is grab a processor. From there I'll go with motherboard, graphics card, make sure I have all the components. I actually got lucky here because at that point I had already had the CPU, GPU, and all I needed was a motherboard, so I got case, all that stuff for $100, which was cool. This height case was only $50. It's brand new, normally almost $200. So this is just another motherboard we found. I got that and a power supply for I think $140, which isn't a bad deal at all. So we found the 2070 Super for $120. We got the height case for $50. We got the motherboard and the PSU for $140. And we got that other whole computer minus a graphics card with the 3200G in it for $100. So after booting up and testing the machine that we got for $100, I just go through and start unplugging everything and getting ready to transplant it into the height case. We have to take out a couple fans before we can pull the motherboard out. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Standard, what I do every time. Now I'm just going to get ready and pull all the power cords out through the back side of the case. That way I can get the motherboard out a little easier. There's still a couple fan wires that are there, but they weren't even hooked up, so I don't even know what was going on there. It's almost as if he just put it together really quick so he could prove that it worked. I'm not really sure. Now while you guys are all watching me do this tedious wire work, if you've been here for a while or if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Really appreciate it. We just started about a month and a half ago, so all the subscribers, all the likes, all the comments mean a lot to us. While we're at it, let's push for a subscribe. We're almost at 100, so yeah, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, we have a lot of good content on this channel, so check it out. Now this definitely wasn't the worst case of thermal paste I've ever seen. It really wasn't that bad. The cooler was kind of gross, so we're just going to go ahead and throw the cooler on that came with the new processor that we got. It came with the Wraith, the RGB Wraith, so it'll look a lot better on there. And yeah, once we get it all cleaned up and shiny, we'll throw it on there. Now for a stock cooler, these little Wraiths aren't bad at all. They keep temps down really well, and they really look pretty clean. So yeah, do not feel bad about using the stock Wraith cooler. And I still can't believe I snagged this case for $50. I saw it on Marketplace, it looked super clean. Checked it out on eBay and Amazon, and literally $180 case. I didn't expect it to have the hardware with it. I expected some scratches, at least a little bit. I did not expect the PCIe riser with it. So, I mean, all in all, that was just a great purchase. The dude is super cool too. So we get the motherboard in the box. Literally all of that hardware on the motherboard came with that $100 PC purchase. Had 16 gigs of RAM, the 500 gig M2 SSD, and yeah, look how pretty she looks. Beautiful. Now it's time to get the power supply in. We got this power supply in the $140 combo deal with the motherboard. 600 watts, EVGA, 80 plus, gold. I mean, yeah, can't go wrong with EVGA, right? Used to be a great company. Now we're just going to go ahead and make sure everything's plugged in. Make sure it's plugged in all the way nice and tight, that we don't have any weird issues or trouble powering on randomly. I hate that. Let's get the 2070 Super in there. Super stoked for that. And yeah, let's get her powered on. So surprisingly enough, this full FB Marketplace used build powered on first try. This scared me a little bit, the fan not turning, but apparently it's supposed to do that. They only spin if they need to. So yeah, that was cool. But yeah, let's get some benchmarks in. So not bad at all, right? I appreciate everybody tuning in. Please subscribe. We're like 2 subscribers away from 100. If you enjoyed the video, like it, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks.